G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today you find me at Cootamundra for the Coota 400 event, this one here. And we're going to take a walk around and talk to some guys and film their cars that are taking place in the event. And this video will consist of the street shootout. So grab that nice ice cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Let's film some of these beasts that have come to Coota. Films these beasts, ladies and gents, that are going to take part in this fantastic event, the Coota 400. How you doing, lad? All good? What are you going to do, mate? You're going to win?
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
So tell us a bit about your beast.
Oh mate, it's a 76 LX Tirana, BK motor, small block Chev. Yeah, does what it does.
Too good, brother.
Thank you, mate.
Thanks very much and enjoy the day and good luck. Check it out, ladies and gents, what an immaculate beast. This is Tirana. Look how beefy she is. And it's got the Recaras and the head mesh rests. Just the way I love them. Beautiful. Another GTR XU1, looking fantastic. Let's see, we'll get a bit of a chat.
Hold up.
How we doing, lad? All good?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Pretty good.
That's the one.
Tell us a bit about your beast, brother.
So here we got a little XU1.
Yep.
It's got a Holden 355 with a Pro Charger.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Mate, thanks for talking to us.
No problem.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
How we doing, lad? All good?
How are you, buddy? Well, mate,
Tell
how
us
are
a
you?
bit about your beast.
VK.
Yep.
LS, supercharged. Runs the 11.3 best here.
Beautiful. Well done, brother. Good luck.
Thank you,
enjoy
mate.
the rest of the day.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Cheers. What a beauty, eh? Lovely VK, as you said. Lovely. More fuzzy in the purple. How you going, lad?
Good, mate.
All good?
400. Very good.
Tell us a bit about your beast.
Yeah, had a few, getting some good runs in today, mate.
That's it.
That's it.
All right,
Thanks,
brother.
Mr. GT.
Thank you, sir. How we going, buddy? All good?
All good, buddy.
Tell us a bit about your Valiant, brother.
1970 VG hardtop, Pacer replica, 318, 393 stroker, 727 torque flight, narrowed 9-inch.
Excellent stuff, brother.
Balls to the walls, man. Having fun
That's
out
it.
here, man.
That's the way.
Yeah.
Enjoy the day and good luck, brother.
Thanks, mate.
That's it. Thanks for talking to us, eh? Check it out, ladies and gents. What a beauty. Got the Tirana, yes sir. Just real colour. How we doing? See if we can get a couple more guys. Check out this mint Capri, ladies and gents. How we doing, lad? All good?
How you going?
Want to tell us a bit about your beast?
Oh, it's just a Ford Capri, mate. Nothing much.
GT?
Nothing elevated. Pretend one.
Mate, she's a beauty.
Yeah, thanks.
Brother, enjoy.
I will. Thank you.
Thanks.
See ya.
See ya. Lovely GT, yes. Check it out. Nice. How we doing, lad? All good? How's the car going, all right?
Car's going very well, behaving better than my children. I shouldn't say that on camera, but yeah, it's going very well.
Good on you, buddy.
No worries.
Enjoy.
Have a great day.
Same to you. Check out these two magnificent Tiranas. Beautiful yellow. Another lovely one in the orange. This beast, we've seen this one around a few times. How you doing, lad? All good?
How are you?
Want to tell us a bit about your beast?
Nice little 355 Tirana. Can't go wrong.
That's it, brother.
That's it.
Thanks very much for talking to
Everyone.
us. Good luck. Enjoy. Beautiful beasts, ladies and gents. Got a magic Tirana here in the orange. Looking tough as. Yes, sir. Check out the XB. GS. How we going, lad? All good? I was wondering why this big one there. Want to tell us a bit about the beast? This lovely XB. How you doing, lad?
Oh, hey, mate.
Tell us a bit about the beast, lad.
Oh, mate. It's good.
Me and your dad go back
Go,
a
It
long
is?
way
Well, there you go.
from my cousin's big neighbours.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
There you go.
always
no,
loved the XBs.
XVG.
So tell us a bit about it, brother.
Oh, it's XVGS. Bit of a drag car, bit of a street car. It goes good.
That's it.
You know, first time, having fun.
You enjoying it? How's the feeling?
of
The
course.
adrenaline's there?
Yeah, it's good.
That's it,
Now I'm
brother.
focused to go even better.
That's it.
That's it.
All right, man. Enjoy and good luck, hey? Oh, brother. Don't let me, hey?
Thank you, George.
No good. Listen to that music, eh? How we doing? How we going, lad? Tell us a bit about the beast, brother. Let the audience know what's going on.
355 stroker, BK built.
Beautiful.
First time on the track, so yeah.
First time here, Coota.
First
How
time.
you
first
finding
time,
it?
First time racing at all.
Beautiful.
So no, it's good. Good
The
experience.
adrenaline's there?
Oh, badly.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, beautiful.
Good on you, buddy.
Take care.
Good luck. Thanks for
All
talking
right,
to me.
thank you, mate.
Yeah. How we doing, lad? You want to tell us a bit about your car?
Yeah, it's an XB
XB?
Falcon,
That's it?
393 stroker. Yeah, just to bring it out for the weekend, have a bit of fun. Car's doing well, having a good time.
That's it?
That's it,
Got
mate.
the adrenaline feel?
Yeah, it's
That's
good,
the
mate.
way, eh? That's,
Yeah,
that's
bloody
the
oath.
main thing, eh?
Nah, it's very
Excellent.
good, man. Very
Brother,
good.
thanks for talking to us.
No worries,
Enjoy,
mate.
eh?
All the best. Thanks, mate.
Cheers. Check out the Mint XB, ladies and gents. What a beauty. BK over there. Check it out. Another BK on this side. How you going, lad? All good?
Yeah, good, brother.
Tell us a bit about the beast.
Oh, it's a shitbox, man. No, just a VK. It's got a, it's original, but it's got a LS in it, Borg Warner diff, just a 4-speed auto. But the outside, as you can see, it's all original, man.
Good on you,
Actually
brother.
come from the factory, man.
Excellent. No, so no paint, no nothing, eh? Just as it come out.
Nothing,
Good on
just
you.
as they come out,
Just
mate,
in
as they come
great
out.
nick.
Not bad. The boots are a bit faded, but
It's
yeah,
all
40
it's
years,
expected,
mate.
man.
What do you do?
Yeah, at least everybody gets to see how these would look today
Yeah, that's
from
it.
when they came out.
Like the
back in
owner.
the day.
Neck from the outside, go hard from the inside, man.
That's it, brother. Thanks for
Good
talking to
one.
us.
No,
Enjoy
thanks,
the day,
mate.
eh?
Yeah, you too, bro.
Cheers. Check out the Magic SS over here. How we going, lad? All good?
Good. Yourself?
Pretty good.
That's
Tell
good.
us a bit about the beast.
Trying a hatch. It's got an LS turbo, little GT40 94R. Been building it for a while now.
Yep.
Finally got it running well. Had a few issues yesterday morning, but no, it's good now.
That's
Going
it.
well. Around a
First
10.
time here?
No. It's I was here last year.
Okay.
We're actually sponsoring it. Bridgestone Croydon. That's my shop there.
All right, sick, ladies and gents. You want the tyres and anything to do with wheel alignments and all that, go there, lads.
And It ran 1090 at 133.
Oh, sick.
Yeah,
Good
so
on you, buddy.
good. Thanks, mate.
Well done.
Thank you.
Thanks for chatting to us. And good luck, man. Enjoy
you
the rest
very
of the day.
much. Thank you.
Cheers. Check out the Charger RT. What a beauty. Now look at this sick SLR 5000. Nice white Simmons. The Recaros are there. The head Messerits are there. Just the way I would love my car to be. Check it out. How we doing, lad? You
how are you there?
Pretty good, brother.
Magnificent, eh?
Magnificent.
Camiseta.
Tell us a bit about the beast, brother.
He's just an old fucking dirty Holden motor, mate.
Yeah.
Nothing
that's
special.
awesome,
Yeah.
mate. Yeah.
It's just 355 vortex blower. That's about it, man. Manual, so street car.
Good on you, brother.
Drove it down. That's
How
about
you
it.
feeling on the track? The adrenaline's there?
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
Always
that's it,
is.
brother.
Always is,
man.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a mad
Awesome
feeling,
event, mate. 7 years in a row.
That's
Love it.
brother.
Love it.
Good on you.
We'll be back next year.
100%. All right, lad. Enjoy the day.
Thanks
and
for filming
good
again,
luck
mate. You're doing a
driving
mad
it,
job.
eh?
Appreciate
Cheers.
it. Good
Thanks,
man.
brother. Check out this beast as well, ladies and gents. Driver's not there. SLR we just spoke to. Look out, man. Back. Oh, yes, sir. Check out the Wild VK SS. And the Holden over on that side. So we can have a little bit of a chat here with the lad.
Mr. GT!
How are you, lad?
Good, mate, how are you?
Nice to see the beautiful VK
Thanks, mate.
beast here.
Thank you very much.
Tell us a bit about it.
It's a Blue Meanie, mate.
Yep.
Yeah, 1 of 5,000. Yeah, nah, turbo
That's
LS,
collector's
that's
item.
it, mate, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
No worries, brother. Enjoying the day?
Thanks, mate, good man.
The adrenaline's there.
Oh, it's there, mate, it's always there.
That's it,
Yeah,
brother.
good man. No
Enjoy the
worries.
day.
Thanks, mate.
And good luck, eh?
You too, thank
Cheers.
you.
Let's get a bit of a chat with this Holden. A mint beast. Check it out. How you doing, lad? You're from Sydney?
Yeah, mate, yeah. Sydney.
That's the way. Tell us a bit about your beast.
It's got a small block Chev in it.
Yep.
Power glide, 9-inch, just the usual stuff. Goes alright, gets going.
That's it. Enjoying the day?
Yeah, it's good, yep.
The adrenaline's there?
Yeah, it's
That's
there,
it,
yeah.
brother. That's it. That
A
feel,
couple
eh?
runs in.
Alright, thanks for chatting to us, brother.
Thanks,
Enjoy.
mate. See ya.
Good luck. Alright, let's continue here. Check out this magic SLR 5000. Check out the Simmons, the colour on that, eh? Beautiful. Beastie. How we doing, lad?
Yeah,
All good?
man. Good, yourself?
Pretty good. Tell us a bit about the XF. right, is
XF.
it? Yeah, it's an XF. Yeah.
XF, 351 Cleveland, top
351
loader.
Clevo?
Yeah, 9-inch top loader. Goes alright. First time racing it, so
How's the feeling out there?
It's
Good
fucking
adrenaline
mad.
for you,
Yeah,
eh?
it's good, it's good.
Mad,
Love
man.
it.
Excellent.
So, yeah, have
All right,
fun.
brother. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the day, eh?
Thanks, mate. Thank
Cheers. Good luck. Right, let's continue here, ladies and gents. This magic wheel. Check it out in mint condition. And over here we've got this magic VK. Check out the wheels on a nice Simmons. 2 different types of Simmons. Yes, sir. They look beautiful. They suit the colour nicely. Tell us a bit about the beast, brother. How we doing?
Just stock LS3 manual.
Sick. Enjoying the day?
Loving it.
Adrenaline's there.
Adrenaline's there. We just need some more runs. Keep it flowing.
That's it, brother. Brother, enjoy and good luck, eh?
Thank you.
Cheers.
Camiseta.
Check it out. Camiseta. Check it out. This is a case of camiseta with the Simmons. Love it. Got the white VK over there, HCT. Got a lovely XW. How we doing, lad?
Good,
All
good.
Tell us a bit about the beast, brother.
Mate, she's just running a dart block with dart heads.
Yep.
She's a 351. We stroked her out to 427. And yeah, naturally aspirated.
Excellent. Enjoying the day?
Loving it.
The adrenaline's there?
Sorry?
The adrenaline
Yeah,
feel?
sure is.
That's it, brother.
That's it. Having
Thanks
fun.
for talking to us. Have
No
fun,
worries.
enjoy the day, and good luck, eh?
Thanks, mate.
Check it out, ladies and gents. Beast. Nice. Got a lovely Tirana SS hatch. We've got a magic Holden. Oh, check that out, ladies and gents. What a beauty. Tough as. How we doing, lad?
Good, mate. How are you?
Pretty good. Tell us a bit about the beast.
It's HR Holden.
Yep.
Blown small block Chev. So you'd have a bit of fun.
That's the way. Getting that nice adrenaline feel
Yeah,
out
that's
there.
it. Yeah.
That's it,
Nearly
brother.
my turn.
Thanks for talking to us and enjoy
Too
the
easy.
beautiful beast, lad. Good luck, eh? Check it out. Beautiful. Magic hatchback Tirana, shining like a star. Check out this beast, ladies and gents, the XY Ute.
But after that,
And over here, a lovely XW Fairmont. Yeah, how we doing, lads? All good? Anybody want to tell us about the beast a little bit?
That's his car.
No, that's his car.
It's nobody's car. I'll take it. I think he's on the phone.
We've already spoken about it.
It's nobody's car. I'll take it.
Yeah, we're selling it to buy a Porsche.
Con-
Another Porsche.
Fucking oath I would. In a heartbeat.
That's it. How you doing, lad?
Good, mate. Very good.
Congratulations
Thank
to
you
the
very
win.
much. Thank you. I didn't win. I didn't win.
You didn't?
A runner-up.
Oh.
Louis won.
Oh, Louis won.
Yeah.
Okay.
He treated me. So
I
that's
filmed the race, but I couldn't tell it was so close.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell who won, like from the camera on the TV.
It was
so
close. It was close. He got me off the lights, and that was it.
That was it.
That was it.
Anyway,
It was just chasing him all the way down.
yeah, that's it, brother. But anyway, we're got more racing to go. So
Yeah, that's it.
sometimes
It'll
it's
be-
just the run. So
That's
yeah.
it.
No
All
worries,
right.
lads. So driver of the Porsche, ladies and gents.
Yeah.
All right, lads, enjoy, eh?
Good.
Let's continue. We'll speak soon. Let's have a look at this magic wheel maniac. Tell us a bit about your beast, brother. Mate, look how immaculate it is.
Series 200 VL. Series 200 VL.
Yep.
I built it, tubbed it, and fully engineered.
That's
6 litre TR6060. It can be a daily, and I can drive it in, drive it home. So
too good.
Reliability is all what's about.
Enjoying the day.
That's
Adrenaline feelings there.
Pumping hard, mate.
That's the way, Brad.
Drive it in, drive it home.
That's it. Right. Sure. Oh, let's go get this lot of cars. Check out this magic XR, ladies and gents. What a beauty. Look at sick. That's a nice colour, that.
Mr.
Love
GT.
it. How we going, lad? Tell us a bit about the beast, brother. She's a beauty.
She's good, eh?
Love it. Love the colour. What a paint job on it, mate. Sick.
Thank you. She's good. She goes good.
That's the way.
293 Clevo on it.
Yep.
Big cover. 275s on it. Slammed.
Too good.
Loves.
How's the adrenaline for you?
Oh, mate, it's good. You gotta love
Nothing,
it. You gotta love it.
That's it, brother.
Cars, mate.
Thanks for talking to us. Enjoy,
Thanks,
brother.
Mr. G2.
Thank you, sir. Good luck, eh? Look at that, ladies and gents. What a ripper. Beautiful. Oh, this beast over here. I love the colour on this. Check it out. Crazy. How we going? Look at that with the gold Simmons, eh? And the purple. Sweet. Check out the 1964 Holden in the white looking tough as. In this beautiful Tirana hatch. Yes, sir. Look at that. Sweet. Check out this Monaro. Let's have a chat to Virus. Come on, lad.
Georgie, how are you, man?
Pretty good, brother. Nice to see you.
It's a Toyota Corona Mark II 6-cylinder.
Are you serious?
Yes. Show him, Steve.
All right, man.
Hey, fucking.
Let's have a look under the
Open
bonnet. He's
it up.
going to prove it to us. Yes, he's what? What a sweet beast, ladies and gents. Nice turbo. Big cooling, intercooler. Sweet.
Baby turbo.
Baby turbo.
GT3540. Baby.
Beautiful. Thanks for letting us know what's in the beast.
How you
lad,
been,
and,
alright?
My apologies for calling it wrong.
Nah, that's alright. It's been called everything, this thing. I'm looking for a sponsor to paint it.
Alright. Anybody out there, ladies and gents? Let us know in the comments. Thank you, sir.
Is that life?
Good luck.
Cheers, man.
Enjoy.
Thank you, George.
Cheers. Lovely Capri. How we doing, lads?
How you going, buddy?
Pretty good.
What's bus?
I'm all right, man. You?
Yeah,
All good?
good,
Nice
man.
to see you down here.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day too. It's been
It is,
good.
man. Perfect.
Been
Tell us
good.
a bit about the beast.
It's a little 347.
Yep.
It's a happy little 347. We've been
enjoying it.
Yeah, 125 mile today.
Beautiful.
The takeoff's a little bit has it going, but it's not bad.
Yeah, a bit
First
hard
time
on the
here.
surface, but yeah, what do you do?
Yeah, it's a good event.
That's
Heaps
it.
fun. Heaps of fun.
Adrenaline's there.
Yeah, a little
Really?
bit.
Little bit. 'cause
More
you're-
adrenaline when the tyres
you
stick.
go, yeah. You go back a long way, brother. So
Yeah, a little
you're used
bit.
to all this. No worries,
Little
man.
bit.
Thanks for talking to us.
No worries,
mate.
George.
Enjoy, eh?
Yeah, we'll
And
see
good
you
luck,
later
eh?
and maybe
Yeah, we'll see you. We'll chat later, and we'll see you running. No worries.
All right, buddy.
See you, lads.
Have a good afternoon.
You too. Oh, check out that mint Holden and this lovely SS Nova. Got this tough Tirana, looking sweet as. Got this magic XYGT. How we doing, lad? All good?
Good.
Want to tell us a bit about the car?
Yeah, no worries. She's a 71 XY.
Yep.
We just changed the gearbox in it to a C4.
Excellent.
Make it easier to shift gears and auto, obviously being faster.
Yep.
And we're just working on the traction control at the start because it keeps spinning a bit, but we'll get there eventually.
That's the way? Yeah. First time here?
So, I've been here a few times, second time driving it.
Second time driving,
Yeah.
yeah. So you still got to get used to it.
Yeah. So
how's the feel? Adrenaline's there, eh?
Yeah, definitely the first run I was all shaky and everything, but once I got past the first run, it was all easy.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, once you know what to expect.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, brother. Good luck,
No
enjoy.
worries. Thank you very much.
And we'll speak later. Cheers. Well, that's the back of it, ladies and gents. Check out this magic killer SLR. Yes, sir. How we going, lad? All good?
Good. How you going, right?
Pretty good,
What
brother.
a great day, eh? Great day of racing, mate.
Enjoying it?
Loving it,
Right,
mate.
nice
Loving it.
adrenaline feel.
Loving it, mate. Loving
That's
it.
the way, brother.
We're having so much fun, man. It's beautiful, beautiful.
That's what.
Great weather.
Perfect. Check it out, ladies and gents.
You'll be here as well, so it's
Yeah,
good.
I'll be here as well.
Good on
Yeah,
you. Tomorrow? All right, mate.
Oh,
All right, see you
enjoy,
tomorrow.
yeah,
George.
thanks for watching. Check out this beast. How we going, champ?
Good, mate.
All
How are
good?
you?
Pretty good.
Hello, sir.
Kala, tell us a bit about the beast, brother.
Mate, this Coota 400 this year was sick. Well done to Chris and the crew. Great event.
That's it, brother. Enjoying it, huh?
Oh, fucking loving it. Loving it. Loving it.
That's it, brother. Enjoy.
Living the dream. Living the dream. Living the dream.
Living the dream. Yes, sir. Check it out.
What time?
9-9.
No, it's not as back off.
My young lad. Got a bit of a crowd happening, ladies and gents. Let's zoom in on the faces, see if you recognise anybody.
So is it round 2 of NA?
Beautiful. Check out these beasts, ladies and gentlemen. The XYGT and the Tirana. No mucking around, the young lads. Killer XY and Killer SLR. Check out the number plates. Looks like the GT's taking it out.
What time did you run?
Yes, sir. Check out the Mint XT GT and the Tirana on the other side, the black shining like a star. No mucking around. Yes, sir. Gives us a bit of a bark. Staged and ready to go. XT. Lost quite a bit of ground there. There's Arthur in the Porsche now. This guy's won at least one here, maybe two. But he's won this before. Very fast car. He's done it again. Piece of cake. Neck and neck race, that one. Tirana's won that one. Semi-final, ladies and gents. The Porsche against the Rotor. And the Porsche's done it again. So the other semi-final is a buy, and the XE has it. All he's got to do is accept the green. Which he has. And there's the cups. The lads, how we doing, lads?
Make a coffee, Mr. GT. on my
Mr.
show.
GT.
Welcome to Cootamundra, another fantastic year.
Cold icy beer.
Michael
No, you
Maniac
do, you
with
do.
his magic walkie.
Welcome to
Every time I see it, I wanna
Cootamundra.
cry.
Don't cry, you can always buy one. We've got one. Would you like sugar?
I'm alright for today, brother.
No, I haven't.
Maybe, no.
Oh,
Sit back, relax. Have a nice icy cold beer. Sure. Alright, ladies and gents, we've got the All Saints High School here. Now these guys usually get on my bus and they get to experience my fantastic driving. We try to do burnouts on the bus. What happens, lads?
Oh, it's a bit heavy, sideways. We'll spin. Sometimes we'll end up on the gutter. Depends on the day.
Yeah. Should be right. It sends it in the smaller buses. On the big buses, they don't spin.
Yeah, that's it. He's got it.
We create Coota in Kingsgrove.
That's it.
Coota in Kingsgrove. That's it.
That's the way, lads. All right, we'll see you on the bus, eh?
See you back in Sydney.
Tell us a bit about the beast. You're from Victoria.
Victoria.
That's the way.
440 cube.
Tell us a bit about this beast, man. Got a V8 under it?
V8, 440 cube, 2 litre nitrous.
Sweet. Sounds wild, man. Love it. Thanks for talking to us, brother. Enjoy, eh? The bee's up, ladies and gentlemen. Tell us a bit about the RX2, brother.
13V, naturally aspirated. Best it's gone, you know.
Enjoying it?
Oh, I love it.
The adrenaline's here.
What? Nothing like it, bro.
That's it, brother. Enjoy. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.
Alright, so it looks like they're packing it up for today. We'll try to get to talk to some more cars tomorrow.
It's a really nice place.
How we doing? How we going, lad?
Yourself?
This magic beast, brother.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about it.
It's my dad, so it's 355, 2-shilling quad. Nothing much special to it, it's being headed.
Magic, how you feeling? Good?
Very good.
Good adrenaline?
Yeah.
That's the way. Yeah. Enjoy, brother.
You too.
Good luck with it, eh? Lovely, check it out. How we doing, lads?
Very well, yourself?
Pretty good. The orchestra's doing overtime, I hear.
Yeah, we're playing the symphony. That's it.
Too good, brother.
See you,
Enjoy,
buddy.
eh?
Take care.
Cheers, have a good one. How we going, lad? All good?
My son loves you, bro. My son loves you. He watches you all the time at home.
Thanks a lot, brother.
Loves you.
Tell us a bit about your car.
Oh,
Never got the jet?
it's a VL Calais SV88, original SV88.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's running a LS turbo, 9-inch mini tub cage. Yeah.
What's your son's name?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Yeah. Do a shout out to him.
Shout out to you, Jordan. Thanks. Appreciate it, brother. There's your dad. Check it out.
Thanks, man. Champion.
Thanks
Love your work.
Thanks for talking to us, brother.
Love your work.
Appreciate it.
Take care, man.
Let's. How we doing? All good? That's the way. Beats, not beats. Have a listen to that. Yes, sir. How we doing, lad?
See you, brother. When'd you get it just now?
No, I've been here
Were you
since
yesterday?
about 2:30
okay,
today.
Yeah, I haven't seen you.
Yeah, I've got the street shoot out.
Yeah, big.
Just walking around filming some cars.
Yeah,
Tell us a bit about your beauty.
Oh, just an old freaking Dodge Phoenix 66 model. Yeah, it's just a bit of a fun sort of cruiser.
That's
nothing too special. Just something to have a bit of fun in. You know what I mean?
That's it. Getting the adrenaline pumping.
Absolutely, yeah,
That's it,
100%, yeah.
Enjoy, brother.
Yeah, we'll do you out tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
No worries, man.
No worries.
Enjoy, eh? Check it out, mate. Chevy Impala, looking sweet. Check out the Mint XB GT. Yes, sir. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough with the little interview, the street shootout. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the support. See you all in the next one. Bye for now.